This is your CI Proud to Go news and weather update.
Good morning, I'm Mark Welp at our digital desk. Here's a look at this morning's headlines. Governor Pritzker says there could be a quicker way to detect COVID-19 soon coming to more places in Illinois. Right now, there are 461 new cases of COVID-19 in the state, bringing the total number of patients here to more than 5,000. That includes an inmate at Stateville Prison in Joliet. But the governor says those numbers don't count all the people who likely have or have had COVID-19 but weren't tested. The state is prioritizing healthcare workers and those most at risk as cases climb and tests run short. But he says the solution could be a new test with a shorter turnaround time. Right now, the maker of the rapid test can only produce 50,000 a day, and those are distributed nationwide. There are now 16 positive cases of COVID-19 in Woodford, Peoria, and Tazewell counties. Monica Hendrickson with the Peoria County Health Department says there are 7 cases in Peoria County, 5 in Woodford, and 4 in Tazewell, coming out of OSF St. Francis, Unity Point Health, Methodist, Proctor, and Pekin. She says there are 4 people under investigation in ICUs demonstrating symptoms, but they don't have confirmed tests. 3 cases have been confirmed positive, 9 positive tests in the past 24 hours, and 7 specimens collected in the past 24 hours. Hendrickson says they don't overlap with Tri-County neighbors. These hospitals see patients from not only our state, but other states as well. In McLean County, health department officials blame 2 of the county's new confirmed cases on a so-called social gathering. The department reporting 4 new cases, bringing the total there to 17. 2 of the patients are men in their 40s, both now in self-isolation. The other 2 are women in their 70s. One is in intensive care and the other in a hospital. The department says this is an example of what not to do, saying you don't have to stay inside, but you do need to avoid get-togethers. Also in McLean County, the fairgrounds are now home to a drive-through testing facility, and we're told there have been several tests done there, but the results aren't back yet. Let's check in now with meteorologist Molly Naslin. Good morning.
Good morning, Mark. 39 degrees now in the Galesburg area. There's still just a little bit of blue skies out there. Temperatures are headed for the mid and upper 40s today, and we are going to remain a little bit cooler, but we'll see a warm up as we move into the weekend. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
For updates on these stories and more, download the CI Proud to Go mobile app.